Don't throw away watermelon rind until you see this. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Clever Tricks channel. Whenever summer arrives, watermelon becomes one of the favorite, refreshing treats for many families. Cool, sweet, and juicy, just one slice is enough to make a hot summer day feel much more pleasant. But there's one thing that very few people notice. After enjoying the sweet red flesh, most of us simply throw away the rind without realizing that we're discarding one of the most useful parts of the watermelon. I was the same way for many years, until I discovered that the white rind inside can be used in a variety of surprisingly interesting ways. Since then, I've stopped seeing watermelon rind as kitchen waste and started viewing it as a versatile ingredient that can be transformed into all kinds of delicious dishes and surprisingly creative ideas. In today's video, I'm going to share some simple and practical ways to make use of watermelon rind, the part that many people usually throw away without a second thought. After watching this, you might never want to throw that part away again. First, rinse it under running water and pat it dry. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Because the white rind and the green outer peel will be used for completely different purposes, the next step is to gently separate them using a vegetable peeler. The soft, juicy white rind can be used to make a variety of refreshing foods and beverages. Once peeled, set each part aside separately. As for the green outer peel, it may look too tough and is often thrown away, but don't underestimate it. With a little creativity, this seemingly useless part can also be transformed into something surprisingly useful. Take about 20 to 30 grams of the green watermelon peel and place it in a blender. Add 500 milliliters of water. Turn on the blender and blend until the mixture becomes completely smooth. At this point, the liquid that was originally clear will turn into a beautiful jade green color. If you'd like a deeper color, simply add a little more of the green peel. Next, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to collect the green liquid. We'll use this liquid as a natural food coloring, safe, visually appealing, and wonderfully vibrant. Add sugar to taste. If you prefer it unsweetened, you can skip the sugar entirely. Stir well until the sugar has completely dissolved. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then add the appropriate amount of jelly powder, agar powder. Stir thoroughly until the powder is fully dissolved. Then simmer gently for another 5 to 7 minutes. Once finished, pour the mixture into a bowl or mold. Allow it to cool at room temperature, or place it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or until completely set. And now, the jelly has set. Wow, it looks amazing! A crystal clear jelly with a beautiful jade green hue. Its smooth surface catches the light with a subtle shine, giving it a cool, refreshing, and incredibly appealing appearance. Cut the jelly into pieces in any shape or size you like. Thanks to its high water content, this jelly helps replenish fluids quickly, leaving you feeling refreshed and helping to ease the discomfort of hot summer days. Now it's time to enjoy it. It's wonderful to know that we're connecting with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. Your support is always a tremendous source of motivation for me. Next, we're going to explore one of the most surprising uses for watermelon rind, a crisp and refreshing pickled watermelon rind that many people remember long after their very first taste. First, slice 500 grams of watermelon rind into thin, even pieces. Don't skip this step. Uniform slices not only look more appealing, but also help the rind absorb the seasoning evenly while maintaining the perfect crunch after pickling. Place all the sliced rind into a large bowl. Next, prepare some garlic and slice it thinly. The garlic adds a rich aroma and makes the pickles much more flavorful. If you enjoy a mild kick of heat, add a few slices of chili pepper as well. The chili brings a touch of warmth and freshness without overpowering the natural flavor of the watermelon rind. Add the sliced garlic and chili peppers to the bowl of watermelon rind. The bright red color of the chili contrasts beautifully with the pale green and white tones of the rind, making the mixture look fresher and more appetizing. Next, sprinkle in a little black pepper. Even a small amount of black pepper adds a gentle warmth and subtle spice, helping to create a more balanced and layered flavor in the finished pickles. Now, gently toss all the ingredients together so the flavors can begin to mingle even before the pickling process starts. As the garlic and chili come into contact with the watermelon rind, their aromas will slowly infuse the mixture. This is the first step in creating the distinctive flavor of this pickle. Next, prepare a clean, dry glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Carefully transfer all of the seasoned watermelon rind into the jar. Press it down gently. This small step is actually very important because it helps the flavors distribute more evenly throughout the pickling process. Now it's time to prepare the brine, the heart and soul of this dish. Add 125 milliliters of balsamic vinegar to provide a mild tanginess and deeper flavor. Next, add 125 milliliters of soy sauce to create a balanced, savory sweet base. Then add 250 milliliters of water, 100 grams of sugar, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Stir until everything is completely dissolved and well combined. You'll end up with a clear, aromatic brine featuring a beautiful balance of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors. Slowly pour the brine into the jar, making sure all the watermelon rind slices are fully submerged. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. Seal the jar tightly. Then place it in a cool location and let it pickle for about 2 to 3 days. And now comes the most exciting part. As soon as you open the jar, a sweet and tangy aroma with a hint of spice instantly fills the air. By now, the watermelon rind slices will have become slightly translucent, plump, and infused with flavor. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pick up a slice and take a bite. You'll hear a wonderfully satisfying crunch. The first taste is a gentle tanginess, followed by subtle sweetness, fragrant garlic, and a mild, spicy finish that awakens the palate. It pairs beautifully with porridge, noodles, hot rice, sandwiches, or hamburgers. This small side dish can make an ordinary meal feel much more exciting. If your summer table is missing a side dish that's both refreshing and unique, this pickled watermelon rind is definitely worth trying. Third, surprising benefit. Turn watermelon rind into a refreshing summer drink. Take a few pieces of the white watermelon rind. Using a knife, cut them into small cubes of varying sizes. Then place them all into a blender, put the lid on, and start blending. As the blades begin to spin, the firm pieces of rind gradually transform into a smooth, creamy, and refreshingly light mixture. Its soft, pale pink color instantly gives a cooling sensation, while a delicate natural aroma begins to emerge. In just a few minutes, your refreshing watermelon rind smoothie is ready to enjoy. You can drink it as is, or add some ice cubes and a few fresh mint leaves to create the perfect summer refresher. But this drink offers more than just a refreshing taste. Watermelon rind contains a variety of naturally occurring nutrients that can support overall health. Vitamin C helps support the immune system and protects the body from oxidative stress. Vitamin B6 plays a role in energy metabolism and helps support the healthy functioning of the nervous system. Meanwhile, the natural fiber found in watermelon rind may aid digestion and help you feel more comfortable after meals. Even more impressively, watermelon rind has a naturally high water content along with minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which can help support hydration and maintain electrolyte balance during hot weather. It's amazing to think that something often thrown into the trash can be transformed into a drink that is refreshing, nutritious, and enjoyable. What about you? Would you be willing to try drinking watermelon rind this way? And have you discovered any creative ways of your own to make use of watermelon rind? That brings us to the end of today's video. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.